Base sa boxrec.com, numero 1 si former 3 Division World Champion General Cuadro Alas Casimero sa Pinas sa Super Bantamweight Division. Sinundan ito ni former Unified Bantamweight Champion Marlon the Nightmare Tapales at pangatlo naman sa listahan si undefeated Carl James Martin alias Wonderboy. Pero may pangalan na umalingaw-ngaw ngayon sa nasabing division. Nakapasok na ito sa top 10 sa ranking sa Pilipinas sa timbang ni Cuadro Alas. Ito ay ang undefeated at knockout artist mula Dabaw, ang alias Destroyer na si Alfred Yano. Matapos magkaroon ng malinis na record na 10 wins 0 loss 8 via knockout taong 2012, ay bigla itong nawala sa larangan ng suntukan, itong si Alfred Yano. Pero matapos ang 12 taon, 2024, muling nagising ang natutulog na Halimaw na nagmula sa Dabaw. Muling nagbalik at lumaban ng 3 beses sa bansang Thailand. Lahat panalo, 2 pa dito tinapos niya via knockout. Dahil sa mga impresibong panalo, ay paniguradong di magtatagal ay mapapalaban na itong si Alfred Yano sa titulo. Para ating malaman kung gaano nga kalakas at kagaling itong si Alfred Yano, ay halina't sabay nating tignan at saksihan ang 3 laban ni alias Destroyer sa kanyang muling pagbabalik sa larangan ng suntukan. May 29, 2024, unang nakalaban ni Alfred Yano ang Thai boxer na si Kitipong Jarin Roy. Ginawa ito sa MBK Center, Bangkok, Thailand.
คู่สุดท้ายในกติกามวยไทย5 ยกครับเป็นสายลำตัวครับซ้ายขวาครับขวาซ้ายขวาครับจะตั้งรับอย่างเดียวก็ไม่ได้นะครับตัวครับตามพี่เลี้ยงสั่งครับเอาเฟดครับซ้ายขวาของเอาเฟดครับนี่เล่นเป้าใหญ่ครับเอาเฟดเล่นนะเอาเฟดลำตัวขึ้นบนขวาซ้ายบนตั้งรับไม่มีคะแนนครับใบหน้าครับขวาลำตัวครับโดนซ้ายคืนขวาไปครับกิติพงศ์ขวาไม่โดนครับสักประคัดขวาลำตัวครับเอาเปลี่ยนไปเล่นลำตัวบ้างครับนี่ครับกิติพงศ์เอาขวาขึ้นซาแหลกขวาครับซ้ายกิติพงศ์ครับยก4นะครับแหลกกันครับซ้ายกิติพงศ์ขวาไปครับกิติพงศ์ซ้ายขวาของเอาเฟดครับปล่อยโตคืนครับแต่เอาเฟดนี่คือการตั้งรับเขาคือการปล่อยแล้วออกครับนี่ครับปล่อยครับกิติพงศ์มันซ้ายเลยครับกิติพงศ์นี่ครับ10 วิครับเดอะโอลิมปิกครับแล้ววันนี้ต้องขอบคุณเป็นพิเศษครับเดอะไฮแลนด์บ็อกซ์ยก5แล้วครับเหลืออีกแค่2 ยกครับเป็นซ้ายขวาครับแล้วเอาเฟดก็วนออกเนี่ยวนแล้วออกซ้ายออกขวาไปครับเราจัดมวยไทย5 ยกครับวันนี้มีมวยสากลมาครั้งแรกครับ6 ยกเลยครับซ้ายกิติพงศ์ขวาครับขวาไม่โดนครับแหม Blue Corner
July 13, 2024 naman, nakalaban naman ni Alfred Yano ang Thai boxer ulit na si Manot Kumput. Ginawa ang laban sa Pattaya sa Bangkok, Thailand.
Our event FCC Thailand in Pattaya. Very fast start by both of these fighters already. Manat Komput from Thailand in the green, Alfred Dina in the black and red shorts, and a very fast start by Alfred. The lead hook as well. Alfred looking like he's starting this round very early on, and he's found his range already in this fight. A very quick start for both of these featherweight fighters. We know Manat is a veteran, needs to, but of course Alfred definitely wants to keep his perfect record, and I assume he's trying to put Manot away in the opening round. Manot throws a big right hand upstairs. Right hand from Manot. Manot just loads up that right hand, but slightly off balance as well. Hand landed by Manot down to the body, and a big overhand right attempted by Manot, but Alfred steps back with a left hook and an uppercut. And there we see it again. Alfred starting to find his home with those right uppercuts to the body and to the head. And I think if he starts damage in this opening round already, and both of these fighters are a lot smaller, so finding the range is a lot easier. And Alfred just teeing up on his opponent, giving no room for Manot to really maneuver around any of this. Obviously, less than a minute to go from round number one. Alfred now starting to powwow with a jab, just trying to keep Manot at range, almost like herding sheep. You give him just enough to worry about so you get him to go where you want, and that's exactly what Alfred just did. He timed it perfectly. Manot goes to the canvas, and he took a lot of body shots there as Sim with a jumping right hook, missing the target. And he starts to send more combinations. The referee's going to be watching this very closely. How much more of this can Manot take? And that is the time for 10 seconds to go. Some beautiful combinations and evasion as well by Alfred. Alfred lands an 8-punch from the Philippines in the black and red, taking on Manot Komput from Thailand in the green shorts. Round number 2, scheduled for 6 3-minute rounds. Alfred already backed Manot onto the ropes. Movement in that ring, and all you have to do is rely on those big overhand rights or those overhand lefts. So I think Manot is using the ropes to his advantage to prevent the movement of Alfred. Alfred should definitely just start pivoting now, rather than coming forward on a straight line. Start stepping in on the left, start stepping in on the right, but he didn't need to. He sent a beautifully timed right hook to the body, and that is all she wrote, folks. The fight is over. Alfred Dina from
knockout goes to the red corner. Give it up for Alfred Dino.
At noong August 29, 2024 lang, nakalaban naman niya ang pangatlong Thai boxer na si Perapat Ngam Silipakorn. Ginawa ang laban sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand.
Pwede na. Swabe yan ang galaw. Swabe yan ang galaw. Ligid mo gani oh. Hindi may kahinga.
Fighting out of the red